Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to create advisor commission plans. LeadCenter helps you track advisor commissions and commission payments. When you create an advisor commission plan, the system automatically calculates advisor commissions for each financial account you create. For example, if I open an issued AUM account, the software calculates the company fee and the company fee amount. If a commission plan is assigned, it will also calculate the advisor commission percentage and the commission amount. You can also log company fee payments and advisor commission payments. These are reflected in reports, helping you track how much each advisor has been paid. To create a new commission plan, click your name in the upper right, go to Settings, then click AUM and Insurance Settings, then select Advisor Commission Plans. This opens the page where you can see all existing commission plans created in the system. Here are the key features of advisor commission plans. You can create multiple plans. For example, one for an owner, a production advisor, a servicing advisor, and so on. You can also set up different plans for different years, each with its own commission structure. Each plan includes plan ranges. Clicking on Ranges opens a section where you define how commission changes by amount. Each advisor is compensated based on their total production for the year. For example, between $0 and $39.9 million, the commission is 22%. Between $40 million and $59.9 million, it increases to 25%. The percentages continue to increase in higher ranges. Advisor compensation is based on total production tracked in the system, whether it's AUM, financial planning, or annuities. For example, if the advisor produces $35 million, they earn 22% commission. But if they reach $45 million, they earn 22% on the first $39.9 million and 25% on the additional $5 million. To create a new advisor commission plan, click Add. For example, let's set up a plan for production advisors. Set the plan year, let's say 2025. Then click Save. The next step is to add plan ranges. Click Add Plan Range and enter a starting range and commission percentage. For example, set the starting range at 20% commission and click Save. Since this is the first range, it starts from 0 and has no upper limit until you add the next range. Now let's say the advisor produces more than $20 million. You can increase the commission to 25%. The system will automatically adjust the previous range's upper limit and set the new range starting at $20 million. Now add a third range. For example, starting at $30 million with a 30% commission. The software calculates each range automatically based on the start value and the commission rate you enter. The next step is to add advisors. Click back, then go to Advisors. You'll see that no employees are assigned yet. Click Add, select the employees you want to include, and click Save. If an employee is already part of another plan, the system will alert you. They can only be in one commission plan at a time. In this case, let's add a different user. Now the advisor is assigned to the plan. Clicking back, you'll see the new plan includes both ranges and employees. Now the plan will be applied automatically when new accounts are created, ensuring advisor commissions are calculated based on the defined plan. Thank you.